Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can sell on Amazon from Alibaba. So first step you need to do is to open Alibaba website and then you need to open the Amazon website. So first step you need to open Amazon and you need to open Alibaba as well. So let's suppose we are on the Amazon and here is the Alibaba. So we are going to search for the manufacturer. So we are going to search for mobile cable, for example. So I'm going to show you the example. You need to use this same process to find the products, and then after that you can source product from Alibaba. So here you can see different products. So this is my account. So click on that, my Alibaba, and here we are going to search for mobile cable. Okay. So now let me change the currency to dollars to show you how you can do the same process. So here you can see different cables, that is for $9, $12, $11, $13, $18. So here you can see different cables and click on continue. Here on Alibaba I need to log into my account. Okay, and here you can see the data cable price is $3, $29, $11, $7, $6, $9. Okay, and you need to come on to the Alibaba to find the manufacturer of the product. So here you can see that, and here I am. So I'm going to search for the manufacturer of the cable. So I'm going to search for the cable, and here you can see that you can see different cables. Mobile cable, let me search mobile cable. Let me change the currency to dollars from here. Let me type USD. Okay, click on save. Okay, and now we are going to search for the mobile cable. And now you can see that this data cable is $1.96, and on the Amazon you can find similar cable in 13, 18, 16, 19 different price range. So basically you can sell that on Amazon on like roughly you can take about in $7 or $8, and from here you can get that same data cable in $2. So you need to select that and you need to contact the supplier. Once you contact the supplier you can get 500 or pieces, 1000 pieces, depend on your budget, and you can place your order on the Alibaba and ask your supplier to ship the same items to the USA. And then you need to open your Amazon and you need to sign up to the Amazon seller center. And here you need to sign in by giving all your details, your email, password, your mobile number, your address, and then your item will be shipped from Alibaba to Amazon warehouse. And then you need to make your listing and you need to add your password, and you need to sign in. Okay, so currently my account is not ready, but you need to make sure that your account is ready. Then you need to list your, here you need to click on register. So click on that, and then you need to register as a seller on the Amazon. And once your products arrived in USA warehouse, then you can start selling on Amazon. And here you can see the cable is in $2. You can sell that in $8, and after the Amazon fees you will get $5 maximum, and $2 is the product cost, so your profit is $3. By selling this cable you can sell the multiple products on Amazon as well. So this is the complete process how you can sell on Amazon from Alibaba. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.